accredited competence assessor in electronic product assembly servicing. The presence of the TESDA representative, processing officer, a new AC manager, Palomar Francis, TESDA representative in province of office, Martin Lachama. John, you don't have to worry about the presence. He is here to observe and conduct the competence assessment and to check if the conduct is according with the preserved and competence assessment methodologies and procedures. He will not access you. Before the proceed, may I inform you that we are being recorded and invested and the CCTV camera in the TESDA Albay. Provincial Office of the TESDA Region of Office, I have here your contents from which means that include agree to be recorded to the other terms. To an unauthorized representative indicate in this form. Also, I have here with me your application form and self-assessment guide. Those here prove that you are willing and ready to undergo the assessment. John, before we start, please submit your admission. Name is acknowledged and raise your hand. Martin Lachama, and please sign this attendance. Done. Conduct orientation. I would like to all welcome you to our center for your assessment for electronic product assembly and servicing. Electronic product assembly and servicing NC2. The purpose of assessment for electronic product assembly and service of NC2 is to determine to level your competence. Today I am going to administer the competence assessment for electronic product assembly and servicing NC2. The qualification electronic product assembly and services and NC2 are composed to common base and core competence. For core competence, we have assembled an electronic product service and consume the electronic product and system. And servicing industrial electronic modules and product and system. The different tasks will be performed for electronics product and assembly NC2 assessment are the following. Prepare and make PCB modules. We also have things that need to be considered. If there are any religious practice, just tell me so that I can allow you to observe whether you are required to do by respective religion. For example, I will need to pray and specific they can tell me and I will allow you. Those candidates who need to take their medicine and maintenance within the duration and assessment, just inform me and I will allow you and take your medicine. The dose can do inside the competence assessment center. Follow and security policy and procedure. following rules. Use the facility if you have concern in question or needs for you to clarify matters concerned in the assessment. You may raise your hand, and because I will to assist you. But once assessment started, please remain in as the questioning no longer allowed. Don't use cell phone during assessment and take picture. Living in the premises of the without informing and assess any staff.
Okay.
TESDA is currently implementing an e-certificate system starting on March 28, 2025 and until December 31, 2025. They will be running parallel time. Implementing this means that you have the option and enter receive your traditional paper-based national certificate NC or opting of new introduction of e-certificate. If you achieve the complement result in your assessment and choose e-certificate, you have national certificate will be sent to you. Provide an address with 1 day after the assessment. It's the circular and ensure that the email address you provide is application in accurate. Once you receive, you should print the e-certificate on any clean white A4 size paper for individual whose employer and company require a paper INC. The certificate individual must print their NC or COC on a clean A4 size with paper. That is the POC-AC. UCAL will be responsible and verify the authenticity of NC of the NC or COC before application and driving and servicing that will be provided free or charge. Starting of January 2026, the paper or base of national certificate will be no longer available as the final reminders. Please ensure the email or address and name provided during the application process and accurate the end of the update. For paper-based instruction, and the NC and COC is issued by the province of office, where the assessment took the place upon the presentation of CARS. It has validity period by 5 days. You may claim the NC or COC. Their working days, it means that Saturday and Sunday and holidays are not included. NC or COC will be declared by the representative. Only 2 times the representative may be declared or NC or COC if the successful candidate cannot claim. This the accredited liaison officer immediately family member up to 2nd degree require the original copy of cards. Special power authority SAP or letter authorization less the of COC or say to find or F27 you may ask the or copy prescribed authorization letter in the provincial office or download it. The TESDA website TESDA.gov.ph. The photocopy and ID of ID certificate works. Photocopy of ID. Cordage of ID of claim. Okay? Claimant. Claimant? Claimant. Reassessment procedures. After the assessment and your plan to be not complete and don't work about because you can be reassessed. Anytime you are on convinced and in case that reassess is full qualification, you have to undergo the whole assessment process. If you are found to be in complement in some unit, the competency, the assessment shall focus in the unit of competence for you to find to be not yet competent, and also if the fail to consecutive assessment, you will be advised to undergo the refreshed course before the application for assessment. Occupational safety and health requirements. During the actual assessment, please observe the safety and you are performed the different tasks. Make sure to check in your electrical and electronic equipment before the plug is. Avoid the pulling and the cord and as the unplug the equipment. Observe the paper body machine. Lifting and the equipment to avoid the plug injured. In case the accident takes one and attention immediately should that can provide you the first aid should be need arise and first the cabinet located on the right side. Aman ka?